Counting. What? Counting. Hello everyone, this is Vanna here and you are watching Mother's Dignity. आइए आज कुछ नया सीखते हैं. Let's see our today's topic. Have a look here. Counting. आज हम लोग क्या सीखने वाले हैं? Counting. In Hindi, in English and in Math. हम लोग क्या सीखने वाले हैं आज? काउंटिंग, है ना? काउंटिंग यानी गिनती. क्या करेंगे? उसे गिनना सीखेंगे, है ना? हिंदी में, इंग्लिश में एंड मैथ में. हिंदी, इंग्लिश एंड मैथ. आइए देखते हैं. लेट्स सी इन हिंदी काउंटिंग. लेट्स सी इन हिंदी काउंटिंग. हैव अ लुक हियर. इन हिंदी काउंटिंग, look एक, 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 एक. Have a look in English. O-N-E, O-N-E. And in math, one. In math, one. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इसे पढ़ना सीखेंगे. एक, O-N-E, one, and it is also one. Have a look here. दो. In English, T-O-T-W-O, two. T-W-O, two. दो, two, and two. In math also, two. In Hindi, have a look here. तीन, तीन. Have a look. तीन. In math, sorry, in English, three. T-H-R-E-E. Three. T-H-R-E-E. Three. In math, three. नेक्स्ट, चार. क्या है ये? चार. F-O-U-R, फोर. F-O-U-R, फोर. हैव अ लुक हियर. फोर. पाँच. इन हिंदी व्हाट इज कॉल्ड? पाँच. F-I-V-E, फाइव. F-I-V-E, फाइव. ये क्या है? फाइव, पाँच, है ना? हम इसे भी पाँच बोल सकते हैं हिंदी में एंड इसे इंग्लिश में फाइव भी बोल सकते हैं. लेकिन इसे हम लोग फाइव नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि ये लिखा हुआ है हमें पाँच. पाँच हमें पढ़ने के लिए ये लिखा हुआ है. F-I-V-E, फाइव. फाइव क्या है? पढ़ने के लिए लिखा हुआ है. सिक्स. सिक्स यहाँ है. यहाँ पे क्या है? छः. व्हाट इज दिस? छः. S-I-X, सिक्स. एंड सिक्स. हैव अ लुक हियर. इन मैथ, सिक्स. सात. 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 इन हिंदी, सात. सात. Have a look in English. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Have a look in math. Six. Sorry, seven. Seven. S-E-V-E-N, seven. आठ. 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 E-I-G-H-T, eight. Have a look in math. Eight. Now, in Hindi we call now. In English, N-I-N-E, nine. Nine. Here, look here. In math, nine. In Hindi, दस. दस. In English, T-E-N, ten. In math, 10. And now I'm going to mention you in count in on fingers. Count on fingers in our hand. In our hand. Have a look. 8. Have a look. 8. 8. Do. Here is do. 3. Have a look. 3. 4. Have a look. 4. 5. Have a look. 5. 6. 6 is there. 6. 6. 7. Have a look. 7. 8. Have a look here. 8. 9. Have a look here. 9. 10. Have a look here. 10. And we are going to learn in English and math in our hand on fingers. Look here. 1. 1. And it is also is 1. We can call 1. Have a look. 1 and 1. 1. 2. We write in English 2 like that, and we write in math like that, and we count like that. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, where is 6? 6. Yeah, here. Here is 6. In math, where is 6? Here. In finger, here. This is 6, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, 6. There is 6. Okay? And 7. A-C-V-E-N. 7. Have a look. 7. And in finger, 7. Yay. 5 is here and 2 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Next, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is there. 9. Have a look. 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 10. 10. Where is 10? Yay! Here is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! We have 10 fingers in our hands. 10. Wow! 10 fingers we have. Wow! I hope you get this counting. You learned this counting. You have to remember this counting. If you don't remember, then you will forget all these counting 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't want to forget, then you have to remember. Okay? I hope you are getting this video, this chapter. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.